Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make stickers on Canva to sell, for example, on Etsy. And today we're gonna go through some steps. So now on Canva, I'm just gonna create a file 10 by 10 inches to create some stickers. And now I will go to create the Fabrica. And I will download some Halloween themed designs. So let's see what they have here. And I'm gonna just choose some graphics and I will create some stickers. Let's see if it's a PNG file. No, it's not. So let's find some other ones. So I'm just gonna choose this one, pumpkin clip art, and as you can see, you can use them for stickers. And I'm just gonna download it because it has a full POD usage allowed. If it won't, you cannot resell it. Of course, you have to edit it a little bit, but just keep in mind that if you will use Creative Fabrica, just go here on special license and click on print on demand. Then it will sort out all of the graphics and logos and so on to print on demand, so you could resell them. Now I'm gonna go to Canva and I'm gonna upload my designs right here to the uploads. So here are the files uploaded from Creative Fabrica. I will change the background because I want to show you some tips. So as you can see, here are some beautiful pumpkins, and I want to create a bigger sticker. So here it is. And guys, if you want to add a border around every image, like a white one, which stickers mostly have, so just gonna click on the image, on the photo you just uploaded. You're gonna click edit photo, and then here on effects you see shadows, so you're gonna click on shadows and you're gonna choose outline. As you can see, it added a black outline. You can choose a black one or any other color, but I will choose a white one today, and I will edit all of these pumpkins. As you can see here, now I will also add maybe some bats. And I will also do an outline to match the pumpkins. So that's basically that. I will do this big sticker. Of course, you can just leave it without an outline, because I believe if we will make a white background, nothing is seen here. So let's choose some other background. Maybe let's choose this one. And now I'm gonna download this image, this sticker image to PNG and download it. Also, let's make it white to see how it looks different. And now I'm gonna go to Printify to show you how it looks when uploaded. And you're just gonna write here a sticker, and let's choose the bestseller one and start designing it. I'm just gonna upload the files I just downloaded from Canva here, and I just uploaded the image here. As you can see, it looks quite nice. Now I'm gonna just save the product, and let's see how it looks on the mockups. So as you can see, the sticker is orange one. For some reason it doesn't load up, but basically you can also make it transparent or white. As you can see, it adds a white border, but I will leave it transparent. And if you like our product, you basically just write down descriptions and so on. It's on Printify, and it's also the same on Printful, I believe. So that's how you make stickers to sell on Etsy. Also, let's maybe try one with a white background. I believe it will look better. And here how it looks like with a white one. You can of course edit it if you like. And then here how it looks like on the with a white background. So yeah guys, that's basically that. You can of course always add a white border and it will look also really nice. And that's basically it guys. That's how you create stickers. And also if you want to create stickers but not on Printify but just like a digital file, you will need to do a document, A4 size portrait, and then you add all your designs here, and you can also add that border with the shadow, the white one, and then you're just gonna download it as PNG or PDF file. So probably as PDF. So that's it guys, that's how you create stickers for Etsy. And if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Take care, bye.